Hello my dear friends, before I uploaded MXQ Pro 4K unboxing. So we are going to see the installation of this device. So let us see how we can install and use this device. So we can start. So you can see it's starting. I have connected the device. So it is optimizing. Android is booting up. So we have to wait for some time to complete 23 out of 23. So you can see the power I connected, HDMI port I connected with the display power slot. So I have to connect internet cable or Wi-Fi device. So I am using cable to connect. So I'm connecting this cable. So you can see the cable is connected. Still it running. It have completed only 23 out of 19. We have to wait to complete. So it has started. You can see music, settings, local apps. So I have connected the mouse with this device and keyboard. So let us see my application. You can see gallery, app installer, browse, security, HD movies, and you can see all the apps it's available default. So you can go to the Play Store, checking info. So first we have to enter an email address. Next you have to type a new email address because there is a default email address. So here to already it has created with an email address. You can see these settings: network, display, sound, application, storage, reset. So first we have to reset this device. Factory erase, you can see erase everything. So it shut down. Restart again. So we can open the Play Store. Before there was an already we created one account, so I have reset this device totally. So we have to create by new. So we are entering the email. enter. Again type the password. So I have typed the password, just give enter. So give it the agreement, accept. You have to wait some time. So it's asking for backup tablet apps and app data and Wi-Fi password. No need, just untick that option, give next. Remind me later, give next. So we have entered to the Play Store. You can see all the application. You can see the movie. We have to pay the money for that. There will be free applications over here. You can see WhatsApp, Emo, Share It, Super VPN, etc. You can see the games over here. Games.kit. You can see the games available here. So just we can search over here, KODI Quadi TV. Just select it. You can find many of the apps. So we will download first one. Just select and give install, give accept. So it started installing. It is same like normal telephone, tab, same like that. You will wait for some time to complete the installation, and we will see the other options till it complete. So just select this main option. You can find online video. This is for recommended and local and musics. Over here internet, and if you click online video, you can add the browsers. You can update this device also. You can see over here updation settings. If you click this or this, we can add this device to offer online. We don't want to add anything, so let us go back. You will find my apps installer. You can put, before we had seen this memory card slot or USB. So if you put, you can open from here. So whatever the images, musics, everything open from here we can see. As same like Android mobile or tab, etc. So we can see these. Let's see an authentication error. In retry, because this is getting update, so we have to wait little time. So you can see this all application. So we have installed 3 applications. You can see over here, one is call and another one is launcher, and you can find Showbox, Skylive, YouTube. This is configure, film online. You can see many apps over here. or you with whatever the apps you want, you can download. You can see your coding. This is for TV box. You can open the app and check for channels over here, and you can find your Twitter, Skype. You can find the YouTube also over here. You can see yeah, you can find the YouTube channels. You can watch movies on YouTube. Okay, my dear friends, thank you for watching. Bye bye.